Now Joselyn Dumas na wako fan menti assume. It is still now the number Jubilee House no. Say anapa wako office. Now yeah the letters ni nyama but you have to read and sign and all that. Now Joselyn aba be choma your excellency obey that for course. Obey there for course, Your Excellency. Share a lot of opportunity about me because I was in support of NDC. Me say my boyfriend for the past 3 months no nchia meka because now me kuma NDC. Your Excellency, don't do that. Like, don't do that. Don't do that to us. Men, yensa, ye mo bina yedi yon ho to one man party. Don't do that to us. Oh, ye baby, at least kaye wo social media hand say.
Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwoa searching ebusuafo 2024 abatuna yetoye no campaign dodo na ekoso e wo TikTok and Ghana brante youth no more NPP na NDC mo no mo yade papa ye na de ahujimu eye campaign NDC kan no betimi aye NPP kan no betimi aye se ne be yanka Ghana fo beto mo so Ghana fo se dabi nyom pe no de ne beba no de NDC buy na youth no mo campaign ma NDC ndo mo alude e wa appointment His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e de ama eye Joselyn Dumas appointment omo de ama no omo say den Deputy Director for Diaspora Affairs na Ghana for something one more chese nkofo abekasa etie nyasem ketu akra na this particular lady His Excellency John Dramani Mahama with all due respect na sano obi the contract abeto anim say read na sign na say Joselyn Dumas abeto anim and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ubetimi a concentrate and read here assign contract no nza wo Ghana for ka na aba we ka asem we na me say an NDC for no na mu dai Mwa na ekokase papa no ana mo kasa enti wasem a wo ka na wo pa say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is opemaze mana say Joselyn Dumas betwem won anim obe confused na me enti ase ababa we kire da be appointment we on tiase na kuma wood for no Mr. Beautiful say or educated appointment be fata no when fi na Sama James Gardner mo na de atwa mo nsumu kra Joselyn Dumas ne do na bigger question mo ho ye den would what's his appointment ama James Gardner kwande na den Executive Secretary of National Film Bisa Authority o se den and Joselyn Dumas so ne do no Deputy Director for Diaspora Affairs so want tiase His Excellency John Dramani Mahama's appointment rebuke na yesa Parliament House or ube confused unti me concentrate because Sister Joselyn depended to na color ube confused into terminate the appointment no na one man NDC for campaign on says if enti ensema ekoso
Your Excellency as ya the says phone bisa I don't know yes sir Woman phobia na ye to me overcome me or to me for phone efre come my adventure because of a nearby beer. Your Excellency, oh yeah. With all due respect, like we are not happy. Your Excellency, me ko social media hand say and confirm me I paid 100 cedis to a lot of people convincing them to go and vote for you. Because I saw some future in you. Some men can say you like me who the obit me I am on mine. Your Excellency, where from Joselyn Dumas? So Joselyn Dumas, so where from her? Where from she? Where is she from? Like offering him fine every rapper all of a sudden the woman appointment from for what? Like for what? Look at what we have been doing here. Say no beer crumb say no beer cake and person appointing the crowd. Mommy we Kuma would actress my Christiana Woodney. Mommy we show campaign. This woman was there. Bigger quiz. Papa we Fantini, Mr. Beautiful. They are all contributing to this party. What are you doing for them? Now, Joselyn Dumas na wako fundamental assume. It is still now the number Jubilee House no. Say anapa wako office. Now yeah the letters ni nyama but you have to read and sign and all that. Now Joselyn aba be choma Your Excellency obey that for course. Obey there for course, Your Excellency. Share a lot of opportunity about me because I was in support of NDC. Me say my boyfriend for the past 3 months no nchia meka because now me kuma NDC. Your Excellency, don't do that. Like, don't do that. Don't do that to us. Men, ye mo be na ye di your to one man party. Don't do that to us. Oh, ye be at least kind ye social media hand say.
NDC has a political committee in their party. And whatever their people in parliament do must be approved by the political party. Adia ya Juma Ghana ni nano. Send this for the core now one political way committee in the case ya way into ma. Even if it will help Ghana, the people in the parliament have to go and say no. And that is what they did. Na sebe and yes what's a betting tax in yet, my boy? Into Oba ube ye free ho. I said the own says how you free wa. Unya revenue at the bedding, would be rule your man into no. Oh, shut up a chicken on us. Now I'm saying, can you tram of Fondo Pun was a jubilee house or no? Mama, so a bad when child side, Mr. The tram of Fondo because hey, and one only did you. Betting tax and one year did and I will say, Ube you betting tax now a day, every ho. Mikacho said this man has been handed the cheapest election ever because he didn't sell no message. On not just only 24 hours, he couldn't. Who the boss say a few more somewhere ye Kenya. Say a poor beer, sabi, a busuya sembisi. And now say a busuya who become near a person ye kono hokojiska. Usually, it is the person who has been given custodian of the lands and the everything that the family has. People what you say. And who is a BBC? As I said, the Ankayade Adiano Kessiana Shannon Sano and a Sanko Uyano. But you have NDC telling you that even though they have ruled Ghana than any other political party, they are the only political party that has been able to produce 3 presidents for us. No political party in Ghana has produced 3 presidents. They had Rawlings, they had JDM Mills, and they had John Dramani Mahama. 3. And they have the power in their hands for all these while. But isn't it shameful, say your pagan glory days, sir, we shouldn't come to the NDC. It's when we are looking for Niama Papa, Ababua Ghana, at Transform Ghana, we should not call NDC. Because almost, and I mean almost, every social intervention has been championed by the MPP. Unim dia yawo home. NDC na ya party ya friend Social Democrats. But and Social Democrat Collins simply means to say yene ya dwene ehia for den eho. It took America until Obama came, they didn't have a health system that benefited everybody. When Obama brought the Affordable Care Act, that is when they started having what we call Obamacare, like they like to say it. And as much as they have tried to trash the Obamacare, they cannot cancel it. When Excellency Trump was on the debate, and they asked him, "You've been bastardizing Obamacare since I had the buy. What is your plan?" And he was honest. He said, "Right now, I don't have a plan, but we will put something together." That is what Trump said. He's not sure. But they kept bastardizing it. Young Famra Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah circle. Didn't we do all the politics we want to do with it? But today, don't we use it? Don't the MPP use it? Did Mahama take you to Bolibamboy? It's like Ghana's property. So why is it that when something goes wrong, NDC wants to stay out? Even projects they know nothing about, in Nkrumah projects, they want to claim it. Then when you tell them, present the particulars, they go and bring a fool like Kevin Taylor to sit there with his nose and his face buffoon. Since when did Ghana sing to this level? Say, Akoda Ketwebi to say, Basenteli, to make us a coalition. Now, or no order 5,000 men to meet us, and we have an IGP in Ghana. You guys are jokers in this country. Okay, Siana fellas one way, and Yamano na yo, me no crane echie. Because a Ghana, your maybe a June Ghana home, near June Ghana can't qua. Sabi, Rollins a croma ya die, you know. When Tunyanko baby say, I'm ordering 5,000 men, go to this coalition, go to this coalition center. Since when did we end there? And the stupid NDC has forgotten that a time will come, that table will turn. When the people was in power, I mean, some of them, you call them, they don't even pick up. Today, we are in opposition. And so would you be. But at the end of the day, Ube ruling, you know, what impact did you leave? Now, NDC people are telling us that, now, 5,000 men. Now, every time you see, say, EC, so baby, order them to go to where the EC is. And they forget and say, yes, maybe today it is benefiting the NDC. But tomorrow it would not. And I know these NDC people. Sometimes when I talk, and yes, come on, I have friends who are NDCs. The correct ones. But you see, this is their nature. Constitution currently, Constitution